Welcome back to Taranker. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step setup of Bond, loyalty rewards referrals, and show you how to use it effectively. First, let's visit Taranker.com and head over to your Shopify store. Search for Bond, loyalty rewards referrals. Click on the app and select Try for free to go to the Shopify App Store. Click Install to install the app. At this step, the app will require permission to view personal data and view and edit store data. Click Install to continue. Click Next at this step. At this step, you can set up reward points for customer purchases. Configure the point value based on the amount spent by customers according to your preference. You can also set up redeemable rewards for customers when they accumulate points, allowing them to exchange points for discount codes or free shipping vouchers. Setting up referral rewards encourages customers to invite others, helping you attract more buyers and boost sales. Click Finish to complete the setup and start using the app. This is the main interface of Bond. After installation, follow these steps to set up Bond. 1. Customize the loyalty program's interface to match your brand. In the left menu, under Bond Loyalty, click on Branding. Here, you can customize various elements, including colors and themes. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand. Widget placement. Set the display position of the widget on your website. Logo and icons. Add your brand's logo. Texts and messages. Customize the text displayed to customers. These customizations ensure a seamless and branded loyalty experience for your customers. 2. Set up reward tiers based on accumulated points, VIP levels, or referral programs. Select point programs. Here, you can customize how customers earn points when they engage with your store. You can also set up point redemption so customers can exchange points for exciting rewards. Configure a referral program to attract new customers and enhance customer quality. Create VIP tiers to reward your most loyal customers with exclusive perks. These features help you build a strong and engaging loyalty program. 3. Connecting Bond to Shopify POS. For seamless integration between online and in-store purchases. In the left menu, select Settings. Enable the VIP tier feature on POS. Scroll down to VIP tier status on POS. Select Active to display customer tiers on the POS system. This ensures seamless VIP recognition across both online and in-store purchases. Now explore the Bond dashboard. Bond provides a user-friendly dashboard that allows you to effortlessly track customer transaction history, including earned points and redeemed rewards, such as account creation, discount code redemptions, special events, and the points they earn or spend depending on their actions. Loyalty program performance with insights into ROI and campaign effectiveness. Go to Analytics in the left menu. Here, you can view total reward points issued and redeemed, customer redemption rate, loyalty program performance through detailed analytics charts. These insights help you optimize your reward strategy and improve customer engagement. Scroll down below, you will see referral reports showing new customers acquired through the referral program. Now, I will guide you how to use the main features. Take full advantage of Bond's powerful features. 1. Launch a referral program. Click Point Programs, find Referral Program, and enable this feature. Set rewards for both the referrer and the referred, e.g., reward points, discounts, gifts. Customize the referral message to encourage customers to share their link. Create exclusive promotions to encourage repeat purchases. Set up special point reward programs for the following activities: account creation, order completion, customer birthday, social media engagement. 3. Integrate with POS systems. Click Settings. Find VIP tier status on POS and enable this feature too. Display customer tiers on the POS system. Ensure reward points and point redemption can be applied in physical stores. Ready to boost your sales with a loyalty program? Install Bond today and get a 20% discount for the first month, exclusively for Taranker users. Unlock the offer by clicking Unlock Deals, copying the code, and sending it to the provider through your email. Visit Taranker.com to get started now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with helpful guides from Taranker.